Hey there guys, Pratyush here with a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how can you create a push notifier just for your Windows. And for this we will be using Win10 Toast library, so you need to install it right down there. So to install it, just go over to your CMD or command prompt and to your terminal and type pip install Win10 Toast for downloading it. Well, after doing so, I need to open it up. So here is the file which we need basically. Now this is the file, and here I have created a Python file named desktop notifier right there. So let me just minimize this right there, and let me show you where it have. So here is the basic text editor where we will be making that application. So first of all, import it. Then I will have to import it. So from, and let's import the Win10 Toast library. So Win and 10 Toast. So we need to import the toast notifier. To do so, just write import and toast notifier. Now there is a thing, you make sure that this thing N here is in capital right there, and this T is also in capital. So you make sure to do so, and after that hit enter, and let's give a title. So suppose we need to define a variable title here where we have the things like we need to enter the title here of the notification. So basically I will type in input. So it will basically open up input. So input, and let's type in enter your title here, something like that. Now the user have to import its title right there, and then we need to define the description of that thing. So I will type description, and let's create a variable, and let's take the input. So basically we'll take the input, and let's say it should be kind of enter your description here, something like that. Okay, I think this much is great. Now we need to import the time, that how much time it will take to open up that notification. So I will type time here, and let's take another input. So a clever thing is that I can just copy this same thing right there. So Control or Command C on a keyboard and then paste it right there. And let me just say input the time right there. So we need to enter our duration here. So enter duration here. Let me type duration. So it will basically take our duration in times, in seconds. So let's create an object. So n equals to, so I will just say toast notifier. So to show the toast, basically I need to write so, and I will type notification or something like that. So toast, and let's give it a title. So I have already defined a title right there. So title, and let's give it a nice description here. So DESC description, and we have the duration in seconds. So duration equals to, I will say time. Basically this time refers directly to the variable that we have created. And let's create another thing, that we need to just set up an icon here. As I have shown you in my folder or dictionary, I have a icon. So I will type icon equals to, or you can say we need to just write icon path here. Basically we will provide our icon path right there. So for me it is available in the dictionary, so I will write icon.icon. Well, this will work perfectly, I think so, because it have all the things that we need. Now basically it will show the notification right there. So yeah, it works well. So let me just save it, Control Command S to save it right there on your PC, and let's open it up. And as you can see here, we have the program. Basically it is asking me for the title as I have written. So let's give a title of hi, and let's give a description of like watch TV, something like this, and let's give a time. So for the sake of time, I will give 4 seconds and hit enter. Now as you can see here, we have the notification right there directly on our computer. So this is the basic notification that has been come from our program. You can change the duration and use it for other purposes also, like you can use it for alarm purposes or thing like that. So I think this was the easiest tutorial what I have ever done in this channel, and for sure I think you have really been enjoying this tutorial. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then consider subscribing and hit the like button below. Goodbye.